Spectrum Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO. This means they don't own their own cell towers, but instead use Verizon's cellular infrastructure while supplementing it with their own Wi-Fi network. Signal issues can stem from several common causes. Physical obstructions like buildings or terrain can block signals. Network congestion occurs in high-density areas during peak usage times. Your device's compatibility with newer network bands can also affect performance. To begin troubleshooting, start with these basic steps. First, restart your device to clear temporary connection issues. Next, move to different locations to test for coverage gaps. Reset your network settings if problems persist, and ensure your access point name or APN settings are correctly configured. Spectrum Mobile has been making significant improvements to their network. They've expanded 5G coverage through their partnership with Verizon, offering nationwide 5G access to most customers. Infrastructure upgrades have improved signal strength, especially in rural and suburban areas. As an MVNO, Spectrum has also negotiated better priority access on Verizon's network, reducing issues for heavy data users. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Spectrum Mobile network issues, it's time to use advanced diagnostic techniques. These professional-level methods can identify and fix persistent connectivity problems. Field Test Mode provides detailed signal information, including signal strength in decibels, current network band, and connection speeds. This hidden diagnostic menu helps identify specific network issues that aren't visible in normal phone settings. Manual band selection allows you to choose specific LTE or 5G frequency bands for optimal performance. Different bands have varying coverage areas and speeds, so selecting the right band can significantly improve your connection quality. Carrier settings updates ensure your device has the latest network configuration files. These updates can resolve compatibility issues and improve network performance without requiring a full software update. If problems persist for more than 48 hours, or if you're experiencing widespread outages affecting multiple devices, it's time to contact Spectrum Mobile support. Professional technicians can diagnose network-level issues that require infrastructure adjustments. Spectrum Mobile is implementing cutting-edge technologies to improve network performance. The transition to 5G standalone networks will dramatically reduce latency and increase reliability compared to current non-standalone implementations. Network slicing technology will create dedicated virtual networks for specific applications. This means your video calls, gaming, and file downloads can each have optimized network resources tailored to their unique requirements. AI-powered optimization and increased deployment of small cells represent the future of network maintenance and coverage. Small cells fill coverage gaps in dense urban areas, while artificial intelligence predicts and prevents network issues before they affect customers. These improvements are already showing results. According to Root Metrics, Spectrum Mobile's network reliability improved by 15% in 2024 compared to 2023, demonstrating the effectiveness of ongoing infrastructure investments. J.D. Power's 2024 Wireless Network Quality Study ranked Spectrum Mobile highly for customer satisfaction among mobile virtual network operators, confirming that these technical improvements translate into better real-world user experiences. These advanced troubleshooting techniques and future network improvements demonstrate Spectrum Mobile's commitment to providing reliable, high-performance wireless service. By combining professional diagnostic tools with cutting-edge network technology, users can expect continued improvements in connectivity and service quality.